Coming to logic behind document splitting, how system identify document splitting and try to split line items. For example, when we are trying to book a transaction in FB60, such as expense account debit and vendor account credit, system will first look for item category which is assigned to that particular GL account. After that, system will look for document type, whether it is a KR document or DZ document, etc. Such like that. System will look for document type. Based on this document type, it is linked with business transactions and business transaction variant. Sir, actually, I do not have SAP server with me. Can anyone who have configured all the document splitting settings, you can share your server with me. It will be helpful for my presentation to tell you clearly.
Yeah, you can go ahead uh, uh, through document. After that, anyone can share.
Oh, okay, sir. I mean, I have to show this logic how system will work in SAP systems. So I need a server. So how document splitting work in SAP system, based on which rules it will work and which rules it will split the line items. I need to show in system. So
No,
sir, am I audible to you, sir?
No. Yeah, audible only. What we are telling, let it be
Yes, sir.
the system demo. First, you finish with the documentation process.
उसी में से दे
Yes.
देंगे दूसरा सब कैसे को सेम
No. Okay.
just
Sir.
one
So what I'm telling, just give that demo of documentation. First, you finish
Okay,
the
sir.
documentation. Then,
Sure,
the
sir.
next
Sure.
session we will go for the system process. So,
Okay,
in
sir. Sure.
document splitting, what you have to tell? What are the type of document splittings is there, and what is the result in the document splitting after I am activating? You tell that
Okay,
one.
sir. Okay, sir.
While in the
Basically,
system,
sir.
yeah, while in the system you are showing, you show the configuration process.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Can I go ahead, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, may I go ahead? Sir, am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, we have three types of document splitting configuration in the SAP system. One is active splitting, and second one is passive splitting, and the third one is zero balance splitting. Active splitting works based on predefined rules. It split the line items based on rules. It is applicable at the time of booking invoice. For example, if we decided to extract financial statements at profit center level, let us assume we are extracting financial statements at profit center level. When we are trying to book this transaction in FB60 with two different profit centers. For example, we are trying to book expense account debit with profit center 1 and expense account debit with profit center 2 and vendor account debit with profit center. No, sorry. We actually, for subledgers in SAP, we do not find any manual input to give profit center or cost center or segment or business areas, etc. Such like that. It derive profit center from GL line item into subledger account. This is how document splitting works. The main agenda of document splitting is to derive profit centers from profit center
Raviteja,
business area segment, yeah, from GL accounts. Coming to passive
what do you
splitting,
mean about the? No. 1 second. In this scenario,
sir.
what do you mean about the subledgers?
So subledgers are nothing but vendors, customer assets. These are all treated as subledgers in SAP, sir. And GL module is treated as the main ledger, sir.
No. We have to tell that one is the submodules. These
Yeah,
are the
submodules, sir.
pre-configures. We have to treat it as a submodules. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
the document splitting is using to bifurcating the transaction based on the process. Okay, while you are posting into the GL entry, it has to bifurcated into the GL only. It not go to the vendor or customer or asset. Okay, so document splitting. First one is what is that active splitting, na? So
Sir.
my transaction will be posted has to be bifurcated based on my profit center and get another entry with splitting the transaction.
Yes, sir.
The same transaction line item will be split into the profit center wise, and I will get the update.
Okay, sir.
So why it is required normally? Where it is that to happen?
Sir, actually, for sir.
So in rental expenses, okay, I booked admin as a 50% and operations as a 50%, and GST is
Can I
booking into
continue,
the
sir?
single line in my rental maintenance expenses. Hello.
So actually, your voice is breaking up, sir. Actually, I think I have server issue, or it is from your side. I don't know, sir.
Don't know. Here also climate is like that only. I'm in Lucknow, near to Nepal. It's a very cold
Sir,
area.
actually, I cannot, sir.
Hello.
Able to
Now I'm
live.
audible.
Yes, sir. Now you are audible, sir.
Yeah. See, whatever the posted transaction, I'm posting with single transaction. Okay, I had split it into the multiple line items,
Yes,
but
sir.
my GST has to be not split into the multiple line items.
Yes, sir.
So, for example, I am booking maintenance as a 50% and
Okay.
rental as a 50%. Now my double line item GST is posted into the double line items.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this scenario, where it is active, where it is working, you have to tell me that process. Give me that document splitting up process and explanation and the process, how it is entry will come. You tell me that one.
Now you should tell about how GST will be splitted in by using document splitting,
Yeah,
sir.
in your example scenarios, not related to the GST, in your example scenarios, how
Okay,
the
sir.
document split is working, and give the examples. What entry
Okay, sir.
before document splitting, what entry is after document splitting.
Okay, sir. By next time, I will try to give a demo
No, this
on
time
that
also,
example, sir.
no,
If I want,
whatever you know
sir.
now, go ahead in that one. In next session, you rectify it.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah, Ravi, may I
Yes,
speak
sir.
one thing?
Yeah.
Actually, Chanu sir shared one interview material. Okay, in that interview material, with the example, document splitting is there.
Okay.
If you open that one, you can explain clearly that one.
Yeah, actually, I didn't look up at any document. I created this example my own, so forgive me. I will next time. I will
Okay.
show a scenario with
See, there is
GST.
no excuse and forgiving because of here. Everybody is a learning stage only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is no forgiving or excusing. Just rectification only is required.
Sure, sir. I'll rectify next time, sir. Yes, sir. Can I go ahead, sir?
Yes.
Hello.
Continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming to passive splitting, here we cannot define any rule for passive splitting. The passive splitting work based on the active splitting. For example, if we book invoice with this scenario, then the passive splitting just work based on this active splitting invoice. For example, while trying to book a passive splitting, it will be applicable at the time of payments. At the time of vendor payment, the accounting entry will be like vendor account debit and bank outgoing account credit. But we do not provide any profit center to vendor line item. It will derive from this invoice vendor line item to passive splitting vendor line item. Profit center will be derived from that vendor line item to passive splitting line item. That's what I mean to say. This is about passive splitting. Zero balance splitting comes into picture when debits and credit in a line item with the name zero balance splitting. As the name suggests, it does not contain any balance. It's subjected to zero balance. Coming to configurations, these are the configurations. First, we need to classify GL accounts which we created under one chart of account,
Ravi,
and we have
Ravi,
to give, sir.
zero balance, the name only is the zero balance, but entry will have with the transaction amount. Okay. Entry will have a transactional amount. We cannot see any
Yes.
transaction in SAP with a zero balance. System will
Yes,
not
sir,
post
it
any
will,
entry for that one.
yes, sir, it
But
will,
the thing
actually
is,
it will,
same GL, same GL debit and the same GL will credit with a different profit center or cost center. That is the
yes, sir,
zero
it
balance.
makes balance zero, sir.
Yeah, balance is zero. In the GL, no balance transfer will happen. But the same
Yes, sir.
GL will be debited with 100 rupees and the same GL will credited with 100 rupees. Profit
Yes,
center
sir.
or cost center based on our document splitting, it has to be
Yes, sir.
posted.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Coming to configurations, first configuration is related to GL accounts. We should classify GL accounts. All the GL accounts which we created under our chart of account should be assigned with item category. We need to assign our GL accounts with item categories in this configuration. Coming to classify document types for document splitting, here we use SAP standard document configurations. Here we do not make any changes related to document types configuration. The document types is linked with the business transaction and business transaction variant. We can able to see that linkage in this document, in this configuration. Here we define zero balance clearing account, which we going to use at the time of booking transaction. Here we will do account determination. We create a zero balance clearing account in FS00 and we assign that GL account in these configurations. Here we can, in a define document splitting characteristics for GL accounts, here we can define at what level we are trying to execute our document splitting. For example, we have the fields like mandatory field in this configuration. Here, if we select profit center as a mandatory field, then all the transaction which we are trying to book must contain profit center, and we can able to extract at profit center level financial statements like that. We can able to define all these configurations in this configuration. Edit constant for non-assigned processes. Here we can give default profit center or business area or segment, even though we do not give any manual input about profit center or business area or segment at the time of booking transaction. System will automatically defaultly pick that profit center or business area or segment based on this configuration. Coming to active document splitting configuration, here we activate document splitting. We can activate or deactivate document splitting at the client level. If we deactivate document splitting at client level, all the company codes are unable to use for document splitting. We should only deactivate if we have requirement like our company code doesn't subjected to use document splitting, then we can deactivate at company code level. So this is all about document splitting. I hope everyone understand what I trying to tell. Understood what I trying to tell. That's it, sir. Hello.